Now on to the business day. The Denbigh Agricultural Show has returned after a 2-year halt due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now the showcase saw thousands of Jamaicans converging in Clarendon. The 68th staging of the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show had much pent-up anticipation brewing for its resumption. The 3-day showcase, which usually has thousands of patrons experiencing various booths at the Denbigh Showgrounds in Clarendon, kicked off on Saturday.
For our business, it gives us a lot of exposure, both locally, island-wide, and hopefully in export markets, to be able to export not just for us, but for other farmers too. We think it's an excellent opportunity.
The front zone occupy next to the last 2 years. Because it's nice, me don't make no money the last 2 years. It's a business and them no window, no door.
I'm having a very good experience. Unfortunately, I've not been able to visit all the booths because I came in a bit late. But so far, I'm enjoying the grounds.
The organizers say the first day was one of the best they've seen. On display this year were the usual agricultural produce exhibitions and numerous booths showcasing technological innovation in the agricultural sector. CEO of the Jamaica Agricultural Society JAS, Christopher Emmanuel, says quite a bit was spent for the show's return.
Numbers are not totally in, but when you take into consideration the support from the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, and the direct spend by the Jamaica Agricultural Society. Up to 4 days ago, we were about 150 million in terms of preparation.
He says ticket sales before day one went well, with about $5 million being raked in. The projection was for 80,000 patrons. More than 300 exhibitors were also on the ground, exceeding pre-pandemic numbers. Mr. Emmanuel says there was also a focus on small businesses in the agricultural sector.
For the first time in a number of years this year, we have transformed the market house, quote unquote, the exhibitors all up there, to a sort of a new business focus. And we have had a number, the last count, I think it was over 50.
The Agriculture Ministry also used the platform to officially launch its Grow Smart, Eat Smart initiative.
The new era of agriculture in Jamaica is the era of innovation and efficiency towards sustainability and food security. This is how Jamaica and our region is going to grow smart and eat smart.